when AJ Pollock dived and missed Tyler Saladino's advance in center field. Arizona was almost certain of their sixth straight loss. The problematic fall of Pollock could be even more expensive than that of the Diamondbacks. The center fielder sprained his left thumb trying to connect pinch hitter Saladino inside the park in the ninth inning of the Milwaukee Brewers' 7-2 victory over Arizona on Monday night. Pollock prepared for the Saladin line with 2 outs and the Brewers ahead by 5-2. Failed, rolled over his glove and sat in the center, favoring his left hand, while Saladino ran around the bases and slid headfirst for the 28th homer in the park in club history. A coach took Pollock off the field, and after the game, Diamondbacks manager Torey Lovullo said the initial diagnosis was a sprained thumb. Pollock received X-rays and will see a specialist in his hands on Tuesday.